Okay, so this is going to be how to do your a possible way to do a check-in. All right, I'm gonna go to my drive, and I have a little check-in that I'll send you if you want that form. You just have to. I'll show you how to do it. All right. Sorry, my internet is horrible at home. All right. So this is my form. I'm gonna I'm gonna have to delete it. Anyway, this is my form. So I'll automatically go up here, make a copy, and I will save it as week, let's say 2, whatever week. And okay. So I can close this one. So you must incorporate. Okay. So this is my beginning of the day daily check-in for week 2. And so here's my questions. First and last name, how are you feeling? Do you have anything to tell me? Were you able to find your work today? Do you have any, do you need any help getting started with any assignments? And do you have any questions? And so it's just the basic questions. And so I come up here. No, I'm sorry. I click the send button. And these arrows right here is the link that I'm going to use for the, to put it onto Canvas. So here, I have not put my Canvas up, so this is my Canvas. And again, I have to apologize because my internet is not the best right now. Alright. As you can tell, I play in my sandbox a whole lot. So, my sandbox. And I can add it underneath my unit too. So it'll be a new assignment, and it'll be week 2 check-in. It's my assignment. And I know you already know how to hyperlink your assignments to your schedule, so that's the easy part for you. Alright, so to edit my assignment, I go in here, click on that HTML editor, and this link right here, I'm just going to copy it and paste it right here. You can set the points, whatever. There's no submission. That is completely no submission needed. Okay? Because we're not going to check it on here. Alright, and then you can assign to everyone, and this is due by the end of the week. So by Friday, everyone should have it done. Alright, and so we can save and publish. So of course, like I say, I always go back and I check my student view. So in my student view, here's my check-in. And here's my form. So to fill this out really quick, Tanika Taylor. Sorry about that. I am ready to work. They're gonna have to slide down, of course. Do you need to tell me anything? No. Were you able to find your work today? Yes. Do you need help getting started with an assignment? No. Do you have any questions about your assignment? No. They have to fill in all of these questions in order to submit. Then they submit. And every day, so even though they submitted it on here, it does not show that they submitted the test or submitted the assignment. So that's why I put it as worth 0 points. So that's how I put it, worth 0 points. So it does not submit an assignment. So we got our assignment submitted here. And then I can check if they've submitted it by going back to my Google Drive. I'm going to close that just in case I don't have that up, because I'm not going to have that up daily automatically. Go back to my drive. All right. And here is the one I just created. So this is my copy that I'm always going to create my new one off of. And then each week I'll resave it as a new week so that I can keep track of it. Or if I was having to do attendance, I would be able to keep track of it. So I will click on that is the one that I just did. And I can see all of my responses right here. It shows you that I responded. You should also be able to see individual. So each individual one you will be able to click through it. You can see that I submitted it at 5:31 on 9/20, so the submission date is right here as well. If you want to see a question by question, just the basic regular things, and just a summary of how everyone's doing. I think the individual will probably be the best because you'll be able to click through each one of them. I'm not sure how it looks when you print, so let me see what it looks like. Okay, so yeah, that print would not be beneficial for me. I'm not going to create that, but I'm pretty sure you can download your responses and everything if you need to keep track of it that way. However you want to do it, whatever you want to do with your data, of course, is up to you, but it is important to note that this is when they submitted it, and it's not a test that they have to submit, so they can keep resubmitting it. There's no limit to how many times they can come on here. So every day they should be able to go into that week to check in and check in daily. And you'll be able to tell when they checked in and if they checked in on that day. I think that's the best way to incorporate it. I know you already have your form created, so if you want to put your form into it that way, I feel like that's the best way, so they don't have to download an assignment. And again, if you have any questions or something didn't work, just let me know. And that is how to do a daily check-in. Hopefully that helps.